9 yards.
Just made 300 wheel before we came down.
300 wheel?
Oh yeah. So I said we got.
No way. How much wheel horsepower does that one make stock?
Like 125.
125. So we're going to double the horsepower
That's
on
the
it?
goal.
Stock bottom end?
We're gonna leave the long block. We're not even gonna open the long block. We're gonna put a new valve cover on it for
Yeah.
you. And we're just gonna kind of tune it to where it's happy peak performance on the stock mode.
I mean, if
you
it
know?
blows up, it's not
We're
a
also
big
brought
deal.
flex fuel, so if you can keep some good ethanol in
Oh,
it.
we got E85,
Yep.
brother. Damn, this Sonic is crazy.
So this is sporting our full catalog.
No way.
Damn.
Okay, yeah, cold air intake, turbo.
Yep.
Like the valve cover, dude.
We got our
yeah.
PCV upgrade on it. Runs full
Great.
catch cans.
Nice. This is crazy. And then you guys are going to tune it before you leave, obviously.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Turbo Tim's on the laptop.
Turbo Tim, I like that. All right, hell yeah. And a clutch I see on the
Yep,
table
so we just
too.
brought you a GM Performance clutch because
Okay.
it's going to take a lot of abuse right off the rip.
Yeah.
It's actually a factory clutch for the 17 plus, and it's a larger diameter, so it's
Okay.
going to maintain all the stock drivability, but take the abuse
Dang.
that you're going to put through it.
I'm fired up right
We
now.
also brought.
This thing looks sick. I need that front lip bad.
Well, so this is RS specific. Unfortunately, you have the RS model.
Oh, damn.
But we brought you some 4340 axles.
Okay. Oh, really? We're upgrading the
Coilovers,
axles.
sway
What?
bars. So we're gonna get all the
Coilovers?
We're gonna get the drivetrain squared away.
Oh
And
my
you know, if you guys
gosh.
want to maybe throw the coilovers and stuff on later, but
Yeah,
I
yeah.
did bring a rear sway bar to help you rotate.
We can do that. Yeah, did you see it picking up the rear left wheel when I'm sliding in?
So it does have a set of lowering springs on it
I
already.
saw that.
Yeah.
Yep. Give me a quick rundown on all the parts we got here because it's more than I expected, for sure. What do we got?
I mean, so
Turbo,
obviously
obviously.
the turbo. This
Yep.
is just a ported GM intake manifold, so we port the
clean it
runners
up.
and everything, and this is just a good upgrade because it's got a
Yeah.
PCV and stuff in it.
Oh my God, the coils.
Yeah.
Dude, that's unreal.
So with that coil, we run a coil booster.
Okay.
This is 17 volts to the coil pack and the fuel injector.
I love it.
Um,
Front control arm?
Yep. So these are just we also focus on a lot of maintenance oriented parts, just keeping these cars on the road. You know.
Yeah.
So this is just the factory ones are stamped steel. This is a cast aluminum control arm upgrade.
All right, I
It's
like
good
it.
Just to have new bushings and stuff.
Yep.
We're really into the maintenance stuff.
All right, this is catching my eye. Let's
Absolutely. So these
talk
are
about
all
the billet.
machined in house in Wyoming, Michigan. We got parts in the warehouse. We got a machine shop. We got 7 install bays. Parts
Yeah.
are made in the
Oh,
warehouse.
so you
right
do
on the car.
people's cars for them there too?
Yes.
And these are engine mounts.
Yep. So that's the upper engine mount. That's the lower trans.
Sucker's beefy.
And then, you know, these Sonics have a lot of plastic parts on them. So coolant tank,
Okay.
you know, we brought some other coolant upgrades. That's kind of one of the biggest things of keeping these cars on the road is all the upgrading the cooling system.
Getting rid of all the plastic. Just one pack of plugs. Four
Yep.
banger.
Yeah.
And then this is a rocker guard. Keep your rockers from jumping off, I
Yes,
guess.
sir. That goes on the exhaust side. They run a lot of back pressure on the stock turbo. So that's the cool thing about going with the Z04. We're going to drop the back pressure significantly. Your motor's just going to be overall way happier, even though it's making a lot more power.
I like it.
Flex fuel kit. So that's
Nice.
flex fuel. You can run
Run some
E85
E85 in her?
93, whatever you want. So
Sick, man. And then a full
stainless-
exhaust.
Full stainless 3-inch.
Damn. Unbelievable. We're going to be living life out
Yeah,
here.
buddy.
Hell yeah.
Drive it to work, do your thing.
Yeah.
Or drive it to the racetrack.
Hard park it, whatever.
Anything.
Oh, did we get some tires on the way?
Yeah, we got
Okay.
tires on the way.
Perfect.
So
Then we
you-
got the axles,
These are 4340 axle upgrade.
sway bar.
Yep, sway bar for the back.
This is
There's some
unreal.
coilovers in the back of our car like we were talking about. Oh, intercooler. We forgot the intercooler upgrade, so it's going
intercooler.
to have all charge pipes.
Damn. This ain't no joke.
Yeah,
Powder coated. Oh, lightweight too.
Yep. Aluminum charge pipe upgrade.
Intercooler.
Yep. Valve cover, just some maintenance stuff. Like we're really big
Gonna
on
be
maintenance,
tricked
you know?
out, brother.
That was the turbo box.
All right, other axle. Yeah, we're locked in. Ty, can you believe this? You're a racer. Come here, buddy.
This thing's a full-blown race
You love
car.
4 cylinders. Come on.
I'm thinking the entry speed just went up to 80.
Dude, yeah.
What do you
Wait, I can't call these guys racers. This is Chevrolet. Wait, hold on. I take that back, guys. Just
So,
4-cylinder,
If you
you
didn't know,
know.
we do have the world's fastest manual and automatic Sonic.
Really?
Yeah, so
what's the fastest Sonic
We've been
record?
10.92.
1090s?
Oh my
Shut the hell up.
We didn't bring that one, but we've been
Yeah.
10.92 at almost 140.
Okay.
A couple years ago.
And don't you guys have some crazy V6
Oh, yeah.
records?
So the 3800 V6
that guy.
from early 2000s.
Yeah. Okay, what do you got?
ATSV.
ATSV.
ATSV, what's the record in that?
World record 859.
Damn. That's sick.
6-cylinder.
Anyone who's been 8th with a V6 is like in their own category. That's not easy to do. All right. Well, this is awesome. Can I drive this one?
You can. That's why we brought it.
Well, I mean, come on. We got to do this thing. Dude, this is sick. This is a Sonic RS, Ty.
Sporty.
Okay.
I like
Yeah. It's got the wider fenders. The wheels are killing me, bro. I want those bad.
it. I
Got a
know.
fresh set of 200 treads on it, so.
All right, let's go take her for a rip. This is awesome. Okay, so they're already tearing into our Sonic. I mean, as we can see, they're getting down and dirty with it.
We got exhaust, turbos, all kinds of goodies.
Dude, it's getting a turbo.
Yes.